Seek professional advice from a financial advisor. A professional is a smart move when it comes to making informed investment decisions, especially if you are new to investing in cryptocurrency. A good financial advisor can help you understand the risks and rewards associated with investing in cryptocurrency, and can provide you with valuable insights and guidance on how to invest your money wisely. Here are some tips to help you find a good financial advisor. Look for a licensed and certified advisor. Check that the financial advisor is licensed and certified by a reputable organization, such as the Certified Financial Planner (CFP) Board or the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority (FINRA). These organizations ensure that financial advisors meet certain professional and ethical standards. Ask for referrals. Ask family members, friends, or colleagues who have invested in cryptocurrency before for recommendations on financial advisors they have used and trust. Conduct interviews. Before deciding on an advisor, conduct an interview with them to see if you feel comfortable working with them. Ask them about their investment philosophy, their experience with cryptocurrency investing, and their fees. Look for a fiduciary advisor. A fiduciary financial advisor is legally required to act in your best interest and provide advice that is in your best interest. This is important to ensure that the advisor's recommendations are aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Consider the advisor's fee structure. Advisors may charge a commission on investments, a flat fee, or a percentage of assets under management. Be sure to understand the fee structure and how it aligns with your investment goals. Check their online presence. Do some research online to learn more about the advisor's reputation and track record. Look for reviews and testimonials from clients. In summary, finding a good financial advisor requires research, referrals, and interviewing potential advisors. It's important to look for a licensed and certified advisor who acts as a fiduciary and has experience with cryptocurrency investing, and to consider their fee structure and reputation. By taking these steps, you can find a financial advisor who can help you make informed investment decisions in the cryptocurrency market. Many savvy investors have found that working with a group of people they trust to do research, collaboration, and coordination results in true synergy. The outcome is greater than the sum of its parts. If you are a U.S. military veteran, join the Veterans Helping Veterans community for constantly updated information on a variety of topics including cryptocurrency. No charge to join.